Key takeaways. F5 Networks reported Q4 2025 earnings, meeting analyst expectations. Revenue performance will be analyzed, focusing on year-over-year growth and segment contributions. Profitability metrics, including gross margin and operating income, will be examined to assess operational efficiency. We will review management's guidance for the next quarter and full fiscal year, paying close attention to any changes in outlook. The primary drivers of F5 Networks' Q4 2025 performance center around revenue growth, operational efficiency, and segment-specific contributions. Revenue growth will be broken down by product and service segments, providing insights into the areas of strength and weakness. We'll analyze the contribution from software and hardware solutions, as well as the performance of their security and application delivery services. An increase in revenue from a specific segment indicates growing demand or successful product launches. Operational efficiency metrics, such as gross margin and operating income, are critical indicators of F5 Networks' ability to manage costs and improve profitability. Improvements in these metrics suggest better cost control or increased pricing power. We will also consider any significant changes in operating expenses that may have impacted profitability. F5 Networks' strategic initiatives and competitive positioning within the application security and delivery market also play a crucial role. We will assess the impact of new product innovations, partnerships, and market share gains on the company's overall performance. Management's guidance for the next quarter and full fiscal year provides valuable insights into F5 Networks' expectations for future performance. We will detail revenue projections, including year-over-year growth rates, and discuss any anticipated changes in market conditions or competitive landscape. Margin expansion targets, if provided, will be examined to assess the company's focus on profitability. Strategic initiatives, such as investments in new technologies or expansion into new markets, will be discussed in the context of their potential impact on future growth. It's also important to compare management's guidance to analyst consensus estimates to gauge the level of optimism or conservatism embedded in their projections. Any discrepancies between management's outlook and analyst expectations could signal potential risks or opportunities. The confidence level in the guidance, as indicated by management commentary during the earnings call, will also be considered. A strong, confident tone suggests a higher degree of certainty in achieving the projected results. Analyst estimate revisions provide a gauge of Wall Street sentiment toward F5 Networks' future performance. We will present analyst revisions to EPS, earnings per share, growth rates, and revenue projections, highlighting any significant changes in expectations. A positive revision trend suggests increasing confidence in the company's ability to deliver strong results, while a negative trend may indicate concerns about future performance. Current valuation metrics, such as price to earnings, PE, ratio, and enterprise value to EBITDA, EV/EBITDA, will be compared to historical averages and industry peers to assess whether the stock appears cheap or expensive at current levels. We will also consider price target ranges from various brokerages, providing a sense of the potential upside or downside based on analyst expectations. Analyst ratings, such as buy, hold, or sell recommendations, will be summarized to provide an overview of the overall sentiment toward the stock. Factors that may influence analyst ratings include the company's growth prospects, competitive positioning, and financial health. The investment thesis for F5 Networks involves a balanced consideration of both opportunities and risks. The bull case centers around the company's growth drivers, such as increasing demand for application security and delivery solutions, as well as its competitive advantages, including a strong market position and innovative product offerings. We will highlight the key factors that support a positive outlook for the stock. Conversely, the bear case focuses on potential risks, headwinds, and uncertainties that could negatively impact F5 Networks' performance. These may include competitive pressures, macroeconomic factors, or technological disruptions. It is important to carefully evaluate these risks and assess their potential impact on the company's future results. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only. This is not investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Key metrics to watch going forward include revenue growth rate, gross margin, operating income, and analyst estimate revisions.